Tired of leaving your customers hanging? Let's ditch the hold music and dive into how Wati's chatbot can revolutionize your customer service. First, logged into your Wati account. You'll spot the chatbot section on the left-hand menu. Let's click on that. Now, find the button to create a new chatbot. That will usually say something like Create Chatbot. Click it. Give your chatbot a descriptive name, like Order Status Inquiries. Next, decide on trigger keywords. What phrases will make the chatbot jump into action? For our example, it could be "Where's my order?" or "Track order under response messages." Right, clear. Helpful answers the bot will give when it recognizes these keywords. Let's level up. Add multiple questions and answers to guide the conversation. Think of it like a choose-your-own adventure for your customers, leading them to the information they need. Wati lets you seamlessly integrate this chatbot into your WhatsApp channel or other supported platforms to handle customer inquiries directly. Finally, keep an eye on the analytics. Wati tracks how your chatbot is performing, number of conversations, customer satisfaction scores, and more, so you can fine-tune it for maximum effectiveness. Now you can sit back and watch customer satisfaction soar.